Yeah, she returned from the States and she had a full-blown American accent.
In the interview?
In the interview, yeah.
Oh, fuck off.
No, that's it.
No, I believe you.
Yeah,
like singing.
I think if you're that, you know...
Change your accent.
Yeah, but it's not, I don't think it's a majority conscious decision. It's funny because we were just pulling out of the place. But like, when my dad came up, obviously like years ago, and he said, look, you haven't made that man.
Yeah.
And I didn't, I was not aware of it at the time. I mean, to sort of have a full-blown, basically, American accent is quite a...
That's quite strange.
Sea change, yeah.
From Cornwall.
Yeah. Yeah. Didn't think that way. But the thing that pushed everyone over the edge wasn't that. It was the fact that before the NFL match that year, I get to now, I can't believe I can say I've seen so many NFL games. I can't believe that's a brilliant situation.
I've been to all three last year.
Is it? I still haven't seen the Cowboys though. That's the worst thing about it.
I've seen the Cowboys.
Yeah, I was in LA. I watched it on TV.
You were at the Dallas Cowboys Stadium.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, no.
Oh, you forgot the time that you saw the Cowboys at Cowboys Stadium.
Yeah. No, I was talking about the London series, the international series.
I saw them. Yeah, they played Jacksonville.
Yeah. The Fox and Hounds, North Hollywood, at about 8:30. Because Arsenal were busy losing to Swansea at that time.
Oh, nice. Is that Michu?
It could have been me. It doesn't really matter, does it?
Is that the season with Michu?
No, I think it was, yeah.
He's got to beat both games.
Yeah.
Michu.
Yeah. So no.
What? What did we say? Oh, I stopped to say.
My wife and the customers joining us.
So the LA Arsenal Sports Club original play.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It was a good crack actually. It was half eight. It was just great. Absolutely.
I remember I watched the Man United Arsenal game.
Look at it. Look at it. Everyone look at it.
That's good.
European Cup is sitting there. When?
Next year it's the final. I'm tracking with it.
Next year. I'm not buying into the Guardiola thing so much. It's time.
Sounds like you are. Still have the right player. Unless Pep Guardiola rewrites this year, the Tour, it just looks like it's
I gotta that good shit.
cashless. Oh man,
Could China or America.
I got 8 to Milan.
I don't think it's G. I mean, I think it's fucking. There's just so much bollocks.
But I thought he'd leave. I looked at Pep Guardiola once. You never know.
That's understandable. He's still a good player, but it is, as you said, it's correct.
Oh man,
Go again. Put some fire under it.
That guy's literally thinking like, what's fatigue? Like, when he's on the pitch, he's like, did I put the green peas out to defrost? So not interested.
Good afternoon and welcome to Customers Joining Service at Manchester Piccadilly. This is Darren Train Manager. Welcome to customers on board the delayed 13:55 Virgin Train Pendolino to London Euston. Service will be calling at Stockport, Walton Crew, due time into London Euston at 16:07. First class accommodation can be found towards the rear. Towards the front of the train, standard accommodation towards the rear. On behalf of Virgin Trains, we bless a relaxing journey with us today. Ladies and gents, do apologise for the delayed departure from Manchester Piccadilly. Delayed departure due to aggressive customers needed to be removed from the train.
That's like right.
That's fucking terrible, man. What's wrong with you?
It's quite a bizarre thing to say.
That's so
right planned, I feel like.
Hackney's fine. Yeah, well done. Covering yourself in glory again.
He's a good player though, Manny.
think United will be certainly a much bigger threat next season.
Oh man, we're going to be challenging for sure.
I don't
Challenging.
I don't
We'll say
think
we're going to win it.
I don't think it's nailed on. I don't think it's nailed on.
No, we're going to challenge for sure.
I think. I guess everyone's got a question mark over Mourinho after this
Yeah, the jury's out.
debacle last season.
Which makes it more interesting. It's more exciting.
Well, you know my opinion anyway.
Yeah,
He's also respectful.
As a man.
Yeah, that's the good.
But
He does that
I mean,
same.
if you're in man management, you need to be a decent person. And people need to have respect for you as a person, not just as a tactician. So, yeah, I think that. Well, I think he's going to flop anyway, and I really enjoy watching it.
I can't help but feel like that. Yeah, obviously I wanted that.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, no, I mean, and I'm trying to look past that. I'm trying to look past the sort of the inevitable willingness for it to just fall on its arse.
I don't see how that's going to happen. No.
I think that it's like a perfect storm of just nonsense. What you got Zlatan up front, Mourinho managing, and a £100 million player in the field. And
Sounds
also,
like the recipe for success.
and also the defence which doesn't exist.
That's not that bad. I mean, we have De Gea. Fucking saves our base kid on a
The
regular.
most important man in Manchester.
What he has been for a long time.
I don't really understand how he hasn't gone around.
Yeah, brilliant. He wants to play for Mourinho now. He wanted to go last year. It was going to happen. Somehow it was sabotaged.
Some fax machine which was
Brilliant.
absolutely
Brilliant PR. And De Gea just obviously ate it up and just leaves all the nonsense at their feet. Which I'm happy about. Kept him under the skin of our team. Kept him on the wheel.
I sort of look at him and they're both
Now the destroyer of football, Van Gaal is left, thank God. And Mourinho's coming, and he will use
destroyer
destroyer of football.
and Mourinho.
Brilliant, isn't it? No, Van Gaal destroys people's careers. Destroys.
Again, this is Mourinho who's coming in. You're a promising young player coming through.
You know the old saying?
What, who? Yeah, I mean, who? I mean,
I would say he's destroyed their career.